Oats is a whole grain cereal that belongs to the Poaceae grass family of plants. It has amazing health benefits due to its nutrient composition, which includes vitamins B6, E, protein, zinc, iron, copper, folates, selenium, manganese, carotenoids, betaine, choline, phytic acid, and amino acids. It is highly delicious and wholesome food. People like to eat oat porridge, desserts, soup, and stews added with nuts, seeds, and dried fruits. Oats provide health benefits ranging from skin to heart health. It is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that lower the risk of many life-threatening ailments. You want to know what happens to your body when you eat oats every day. Let us discuss oat benefits in detail. Number 1, oats may help relieve constipation. Constipation is a painful situation when you have dry or lumpy stools, and there are less than 3 bowel movements per week. Dietary fiber is the best solution to relieve constipation. Oats may prevent constipation due to high fiber and other essential ingredients, such as selenium, iron, magnesium, manganese, and B vitamins. Oats are one of the best bowel-friendly foods, and 1 cup of oat offer 4 grams of fiber. The soluble fiber in oats lowers blood cholesterol levels and improves digestion. It retains water and adds bulk to stool, which regulates bowel movement and allows stool to pass conveniently. Number 2, they may decrease the risk of childhood asthma. Oats are a healthy part of a balanced diet that offers multiple benefits. It also decreases the risk of childhood asthma, which is quite common. Some inflammatory compounds, such as pollen gasp or viral infection, block the airways, which carry air to the lungs. It causes coughing, chest congestion, and difficulty in breathing. Few researchers claim that oats are safe for kids with asthma problems and may help decrease the risk of childhood asthma. Oats and other whole grain foods help reduce the symptoms of illness and improve immune function. Number 3, oats can improve blood sugar control. Oats are incredibly rich in dietary fiber B-glucan, a bioactive component in maintaining glycemic control and regulating blood lipids. It resists insulin sensitivity and prevents spikes in blood sugar levels. Doctors and health experts recommend a higher intake of oats, porridge, soups, and stews to avoid sharp rises in blood sugar. It also helps improve the symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Oats are quite low in sugar and may be a good choice in glucose management. Number 4, helps in weight loss. Daily consumption of oats helps in healthy weight loss. People can benefit from oats while aiming to shed extra pounds because of the rich fiber and protein content. These promote satiety and a sense of fullness for an extended period. Dietitians recommend a daily intake of oatmeal on an empty stomach to reduce belly fat rapidly. Make sure to consume steel-cut and unrefined oats because these contain minimum chemicals and are highly nutritious. On the contrary, processed and instant oats with added sugar may get you extra fats and weight gain. Number 5, good for skin health. Oats are undoubtedly the best food for improving skin health due to vitamins and proteins. It has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that help revitalize the skin by eliminating dead skin cells. Oatmeal increases collagen production and improves your skin complexion. In a study, the effects of colloidal oatmeal were observed. The findings reveal that it serves the itchy skin best due to excellent cleansing, moisturizing, and anti-inflammatory attributes. It offers hydration and significantly improves skin dryness by forming an occlusive layer on the surface that retains skin moisture. Its anti-inflammatory compounds reduce inflammation and help prevent certain skin problems such as acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Number 6, lowers the risk of colon cancer. A high sugar and low fiber diet is one of the salient reasons for developing colon cancer. Sugar accumulation leads to fat and obesity, which results in tumors or cancer cells in the colon. Oats' benefits in lowering the risk of colon cancer are worth mentioning due to their abundant fiber. According to research, increased intake of whole grain products helps reduce the incidence of colorectal cancer. Dietary fiber takes longer to digest and prevents appetite and blood sugar spikes. A recent study claims that oatmeal decreases the risk of colon cancer due to fiber, magnesium, and plant polyphenol compounds. Number 7, promotes better sleep. Oats are one of the best options for breakfast due to their healthy and nutritious profile, but it serves best as a bedtime snack because it helps promote better sleep. It provides essential nutrients, including potassium, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin B6 to sleep well. Oats have complex carbohydrates and melatonin, which aids in more tryptophan getting into the brain and increases sleep efficiency. The enhanced levels of melatonin and serotonin make the person sleepy in less time and help in quality sleeping hours. Oatmeal contains magnesium, which also relaxes muscles and supports deep restorative sleep. Number 8, it is rich in antioxidants. Oat is an abundant source of antioxidants, flavonoids, polyphenols, vitamin E, phytic acid, and sterols. High antioxidant concentrations offer overall health benefits. The most significant antioxidant is avenanthramides, which reduce the risk of heart disease. It raises nitric oxide formation, which assists in expanding blood vessels, improves blood flow, and prevents high blood pressure. Its anti-itching and anti-inflammatory effects reduce inflammation. Antioxidant manipulation in oats may help stabilize oils and fats against rancidity. Another potent antioxidant, ferulic acid, prevents skin discoloration due to sun exposure, fading, and dark spots. Number 9, boosts the immune system. Oats serve best to boost the immune system because they are incredibly high in antioxidants, beta-glucan, selenium, and zinc. These nutrients help improve blood cells that ward off infection and help you stay in sane health. These antioxidants reduce the activity of free radicals that cause oxidative stress, leading to cell damage. Hence, oats help prevent the development of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. The beta-glucan and soluble also provide the immune strengthening effect. They improve digestive function and promote healthy gut bacteria. A research study demonstrates it develops resistance against skin infections, bone infections, pneumonia, and heart valve infections. Other nutrients in oats include vitamins A, C, iron, and protein that support immune health. Number 10, reduces cholesterol levels. We cannot overlook the benefits of oats in regulating blood cholesterol levels. High cholesterol level is the major risk factor for developing heart disease. They cause fatty deposits and plaque buildup in arteries, which causes heart attack, arterial inflammation, tissue damage, high blood pressure, and stroke. According to research, you may notice a considerable reduction in overall cholesterol levels when you eat oats every day. Beta-glucan in oats prevents a rise in bad cholesterol levels and protects against oxidation. Number 11, reduces hypertension and stress. Oats are undoubtedly the best food to reduce hypertension and stress. It is high in soluble fiber, which helps lower blood pressure and improves digestive health. A systemic review of the primary study revealed that a fiber-rich diet reduces systolic blood pressure, SBP, diastolic blood pressure, DBP, blood lipid, and insulin levels that minimize the risk of high blood pressure. People with increased stress and anxiety should increase oats intake because it is a highly stress-comforting food. Oats help elevate serotonin levels in the blood, making you feel more focused, happier, emotionally stable, and calmer. Number 12, good for the hair. While discussing the possible oat benefits, the hair category is yet to come. Oats contain protein, zinc, fiber, iron, and omega-6 fatty acids. These constituents stimulate dormant hair follicles and help repair split ends. Saponin in oats provides nourishment to hair and eliminates the dandruff flakes from your scalp. Increased oats intake brings elasticity to hair, which resists hair breakage during brushing and pulling. Protein in oats increases hair volume and offers thickness to each strand. It is a building block of each cell and makes your hair feel softer and fuller. It also impacts the density, elasticity, and strength of hair.